Vallejo presents its new range of airbrushes, precision, innovation, and ease of use for professionals and hobbyists alike. Today we're unboxing the Innovator 2-in-1, possibly the lightest airbrush in the world. Inside the sturdy box, you'll find a detailed leaflet introducing the model, its components, and practical tips for use and cleaning, and some personality to your setup with our Vallejo stickers. Fun, stylish, and ready to make your gear stand out. The pack also includes 2 essential accessories, a quick-release connector for your compressor hose, and a robust metal wrench for easy nozzle maintenance. With its ergonomic and original design, cast in a special alloy that combines outstanding strength with minimal weight, the Innovator will surprise you with its performance, look, and elegance. It features a solid floating nozzle system designed for consistent paint flow and effortless cleaning thanks to its quick disassembly mechanism. The airbrush is gravity-fed with an intuitive dual-action trigger and a smooth needle travel regulator that lets you precisely control paint flow. A unique model built to impress, reliable, precise, and of exceptional quality, destined to become an indispensable tool for all your creative projects. The Innovator 2-in-1 comes with 2 needle and nozzle sets, 0.2 and 0.3 millimeters, making it a highly versatile tool, perfect for both fine detailing and larger coverage, along with a 9 milliliter cup. Vallejo airbrushes, where creativity meets precision.